Now let's go to step number 9, which is define the work breakdown structure or WBS of the project as shown in figure 1. So let's go to figure 1. This is figure 1, and this is the hierarchy of the WBS. That's the project landscaping garden. So we have one level WBS here, which is fence, garden, path, and garden pond. So let's do that. Go back to Primavera P6. Now it's the time to open your project, because so far we didn't work inside the project that we created. We were just adjusting the calendars and the start time and so on. So now let's open our project. I just want to make sure to close all projects first to make sure that we are, yeah, there is no project, no current project open. So to open your project, right click and then open project. Now we are in the project, we are in the activities tab. So in this tab, we can add um, our activities. But before adding the activities, we need to work on the WBSs. So to work on the WBSs, now we are inside the project. And as I said, inside the project, you want to use this menu. So we have WBS, or you can click on this icon here. So let's click on WBS. Here we go. Now we are in the WBS of this project, which is landscaping a garden. So we need to create the WBSs that were given here. So fence, garden path, and garden pond. So I will get back here to Primavera, and then I'll click on this plus sign, click add, and then the first one is fence. Here, I'm not going to talk about coding. I'm not going to talk about the WBS code. I'm just working on the names. But keep an attention to coding, because coding, the WBSs and the activities and the projects are extremely important. But for here, we're not going to talk about the coding. And then we have also another WBS, which is, I think, garden path. Yep. And we have also another WBS, which was, sorry. Okay, here we go. Garden pond. So we are good to go. But now, if you see, they are all at the same level. But when you look here, this one is the child of that one, and this one is the child of that one. So that's not the right way to do it. And if you look at the chart view, here we go. That's the landscaping, a garden, fence, garden path, garden pond. So we don't want to see that. So to fix this, you see these arrows, you can fix them through that. So when you click here, I want the garden path to be at the same level as fence. And then I want the garden pond to be at the same level as the other three. And when you click in the chart view, here we go. This is what we have in the workshop. So this was the step number 9. We created now the list of WBSs as uh, requested in figure 1. And if you want to add more WBSs, like if there's another WBS here, which called X, and when you go here, this is the level 1, and this is the level 2. So, but we don't have this here. So we're going to get back, and then I'm going to delete it. I will delete this WBS. Here we go.